Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a WordPress website backup using a free WordPress plugin. So first of all we need to log in into our website. Now add /wp-admin to log in into your WordPress website. Then you can add your own username and password to log in into your website. Now let me simply click here login button, and now in the dashboard let me scroll down, and here you can see plugin sections. Now we need to install a new plugin. Just click here add new plugin, and here you can install any of the plugin from the thousands of free WordPress plugins. Here you can type a keyword backup, then scroll down. Here you can see you will get multiple backup plugins, so you can install and test any of the plugin. So at this time I want to install this one, 90,000 plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So plugin name is Backup Migration, and this is the easiest plugin that you can easily use, and within a single click you can create a backup for your WordPress website. So let's click on skip and scroll down. Then after that click here Backup Migration. And now here you can see plugin is loading. Scroll down, click here to create a backup now. Scroll down, and here you can select backup files, so you can uncheck any of the file that you don't need. Then click here save button. Then after that click here again backup now, and again click here create the backup. So guys, here you can see backup is in progress, and here you can see how fast this plugin works to create any type of WordPress website backup. So if you have a WordPress website with large files, then it can take some time. So that's great. Backup is done. Scroll down, and here you can go manage and restore backups. Then scroll down. You can download backup file. You can restore your backup. You can also upload your backup files. So one of the most important thing, here you can see it will allow you download a backup only in a single file. So some of the WordPress plugins allow multiple files. So in order to avoid any type of confusion, you can download your backup file in a single zip file, and you can create your website backup for future data loss and avoid any type of errors.